Confirming stabilization on the port side.
Starboard side secure. Proceeding with tensioning sequence.
Final actuator bolt torque to specification.
Reading confirmed. Phase complete.
Control, HPU diagnostics are green. We are clear to initiate the structural test profile.
Strain gauge readings are stable and linear.
Verified. We are good to proceed.
Large industrial gray air ducts flood the test cell with conditioned air to maintain precise temperature and humidity. These specialized steel fixtures are crucial for the static wing load test, ensuring the airframe withstands simulated flight stresses.
Divergence complete. Process B isolated.
Copy that. Monitor process A integrity.
The low-load deflection matches the model perfectly. Readings confirmed.
Displacement is tracking linearly. All sensors are fully operational.
The complex rigging system applies immense pressure, simulating realistic high-G maneuvers as the ramp-up to ultimate load commences.
Look at the readout here. The stress is exactly as modeled.
Yes, and the deflection confirms the structural integrity at 30%.
The system is silent, confirming the integrity of the critical load bearing joint at 65% ultimate load.
Approaching the yellow caution zone now.
Stable at 75% of the ultimate limit. Data confirmed.
Sequence initiated. The load is dropping to 80%. We have successful elastic recovery.
That's it, the wings are stable.
Great job, ladies. Process A is a go.
The massive airframe is now returned to a zero-stress state, having successfully passed the ultimate static load test. Following the ultimate load test, technicians utilize UV light to meticulously scan for micro cracks and signs of stress corrosion. The covered, massive air structure, now Process A certified, is transported into the climate.
The AGV ensures the critical separation of the static test bay, Process A, and the dynamic testing hangar.
Delivered by AGV, the massive airframe enters the high bay hangar for dynamic testing in the Process B zone.
We need to verify these stress points before the actuators go on.
Confirmed. The fatigue test sequence is loaded.
True. This meticulous cleaning ensures perfect adhesion for the fatigue monitoring sensors required for Process B, which focus.
The visual differences between this rig, Process B, and the static rig, Process A, are stark.
This specialized robotic arm tracks the leading edge of the rudder, constantly scanning for minute surface cracks and signs of fatigue failure.
There it is, 5,000 simulated hours.
And the strain amplitude remains completely stable. The airframe integrity is confirmed.
Scan complete. Looks good.
Zero leakage verified. Structural integrity confirmed.
This critical test demonstrates the airframe's resilience, as the structure visibly flexes under the extreme cyclic stress.
All teams report status on stabilizer connections.
Root connections clear on the left side?
Right side clear, no signs of fatigue failure.
Check the tension on the starboard harness.
Reads nominal on the diagnostic screen.
Good. Proceed to bulkhead 7. rollout marks the culmination of months of precision engineering.
Power connected. Locked.
Comm line secure. Cockpit confirmed.
Clear to spool.
This precise, measured wing flex confirms the structural integrity validated during the ultimate load phase.
The certified aircraft slows for landing, and the landing gear deploys smoothly. The structural components around the gear
Status on the stabilizer joints.
Clear. Lead. No anomalies detected. We are green across the board.
The structural integrity, guaranteed by rigorous factory stress rig testing, ensures the longevity and safety of the final product.